Hey guys, what's up? I just want to take a second to tell you guys I'm sorry about today. I wasn't able to go live. I got to the nursery, I got loaded up, I was pulling out. All of a sudden I heard this huge bang, almost kind of like my tailgate fell off. So I had a little speed going. I pulled over to the side of the road. I thought maybe my drive shaft might have busted and fell off. I've seen it happen before. So I looked under the truck real fast. It was still hooked up. I stepped on the gas. It went to like 60, 70 miles an hour, almost 120 in a second. I was like, no way. So I pulled in four-wheel drive real quick. I was able to get off the road and pull into another business and check it out more. It turns out that I broke my rear end. So that ain't cool at all. Not cool. So when it rains, it pours. That's a lesson to teach you guys. Don't overwork your truck. I was using my truck this year too much as a bulldozer with them big snowstorms. And unfortunately, things break. So the weakest link of the trucks break, and my rear end's broke now. So I don't want to use my new truck, but I'm going to have to tomorrow because I don't want to put no miles on it. Making payments on it still. So I got to drop a new game plan. But I was loaded and ready to work, so I'm sorry, guys. Let's see, got my some soil there and my wheelbarrow all ready to go. Some nice green topsoil to fix the lawns for the people. They would have been happy. So I'm going to have to unload this at my house over here and keep it for myself to use. But I use it for my garden. I'm going to take this negative and turn it into a positive. So everybody, I'll make a little video in a little bit with a new game plan. I got to get to work tomorrow. I absolutely have to work tomorrow. So we'll see. Like I said, if it's not one thing, it's another. But you guys have a great day. Don't let me get you down. Let's turn this negative into a positive. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon.